and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. Join the enthusiasts, just subscribe. In this video, I am gonna create this fall kind of look with deep berry red lips and very neutral eyes. I created this look using almost all Maybelline products. So if you wanna see how to get this look, please keep on watching. For priming my face, I am going to use two primers today. First, taking the Maybelline Master Strobing Cream and applying all over my face. I try to use the least amount in my T-zone. It is a good strobing cream for an overall glow. Next, I am going to take the Maybelline Master Prime. This acts as a primer plus base, and what I did with this is that I applied it on the areas where I have pores just to blur them out a little bit and get a perfect base. That area over there is going crazy nowadays, so I thought why not blur it out. Now for foundation, I decided to go with Maybelline Fit Me, but this happened. The shade that I got was way lighter than my skin tone. I got the shade 310 Sun Beige, and yes, I ended up with a ghost face. Now I improvised and decided to mix the Milani foundation in 06 with Fit Me foundation in 310. I applied the Fit Me foundation in the areas that should look brighter, and the Milani foundation mainly on the outer perimeters of my face, and that's how I mixed them together. Now even after mixing both the foundations, my face still looks like a little lighter than what I like, but don't worry, the foundations will oxidize a bit to match my skin tone. Frankly speaking, the lighting is making it look even more lighter, so I do miss you natural light. For concealer, I am using the Fit Me concealer in medium and applying it under my eyes and highlighting with this too. I don't know why the wand was a little weird. I mean, it was little thin, but it was good because with a thin wand I can go in areas more precisely. I am applying a little bit on my chin, on my forehead, and on the bridge of my nose. And I tried the Fit Me concealer for the first time. And after trying, I can say that the Fit Me concealer is better than the Fit Me foundation. Yes, I feel like that because I don't know why the Fit Me concealer was very blendable and very good and all. Like you saw how that covered my dark circles, and that's what I am talking about. It's a really good concealer and it's in your budget too. For setting my under eyes, I am using the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in light medium. Winter is almost here, so my face is gonna be drier, and that's why I feel hesitant in applying too much powder on my face. Now to even out the eye, I am gonna apply some concealer on my eyelids and blend it with a concealer brush. Now for my eyes, I am gonna take the Maybelline City Mini palette in Brunch Neutrals, taking the brown shade and applying it in and around my crease and blend it in really nicely and build up the pigmentation because I am not gonna apply any other shade over there, like in that area. And that's the reason why you need to build it up, and that's what I am doing right now. And next I'm going to take the cool pink kind of shade and applying it more in the inside just to brighten up that area because I have to apply a shimmery shade over there. And now taking the shimmer shade and applying it halfway from the inner corner. So this eye look involves only 3 shades and the eyes look really neutral and nice. This palette was perfect for a neutral look and the shades were so blendable. I really love that shimmery shade. It had some fallout, so I am going to dust it off with the Bake. And now I'm taking the same brown shade and applying it on my lower lash line. For eyeliner, I am taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner. Do not forget to check the description box for exact names and shades of all the products. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. I wanted to go with Lash Sensational, but I thought why not give this a try. And the mascara did hold my lashes, but not like the Lash Sensational. It's just my favorite and it will be my favorite. For my brows, using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid Fashion Brow in dark brown, I found the formula very much like the Maybelline Fashion Brow Duo Shaper, but I was not satisfied with the pigmentation, so I added a little more pigmentation from a different eyebrow pencil. Next, for contour and blush, I am using the We Face Blush Contour by Maybelline. First, I took the contour shade and bronzed up my face. At this point, my face was really lacking dimension and I needed it badly. So yeah, I used that brown shade as a bronzer and it worked nicely, but frankly speaking, I like a bronzer to be a little more darker than this. And next I'm going to take that red kind of shade and applying it right above my contour. And yeah, like right there, it has to be right there. And next I'm taking the lightest pink shade and applying it right on my cheekbones just to get a little flush. And yeah, that was the bronze plus blush. And now for highlight, I am going to use the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter from Maybelline. This one is in molten gold. Like I can search for all the angles to see that glow, and that's what I was doing right there. Now highlighting the nose, chin, inner corners and all, and the brow bone too, obviously, how can we forget that. I did apply some false eyelashes. These are the Pack Mink eyelashes in M71. And yeah, that's the highlighting the inner corners. For lipstick, I am using the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick in Voyager. Now this is a super long lasting lipstick and I think I mentioned this lipstick in the last video too. And for the next step, I am going to cut under the contour just to give it like a sharp look. And yeah, that's it. That was the last step and this is the completed look. So that was the completed look. If you like the look, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit that notification bell and share this video.